We have now learned about a lot of the physics behind how glasses, like these ones here, work. Let's put it all together into one big, clear, coherent picture. Ray optics is a powerful tool to describe how light moves through a lens. When using ray optics, it's useful to consider light as a wave and consider it traveling along in straight lines. You've been introduced to the law of reflection, and you've seen how we can apply ray tracing to work out where an image forms. This explains why when you look into a plane mirror, it looks like you're standing behind the mirror. We've looked at refraction, and you've seen Snell's law, which describes how the speed of light changes when it goes from one medium to another. The wavelength and direction of travel of light also changes with the magnitude of the change depending on the relative refractive index of the two mediums. We have looked at some different types of lenses. We have seen converging and diverging lenses, and we've applied the process of ray tracing to these lenses to work out where the image will be formed. Finally, we've had a look at the human eye and how this works. Spectacles work by compensating for problems in the human eye. Spectacles ensure that the image is focused on the back of our retina so that our brain can then process this image correctly. Finally, just because it was interesting, we had to look at colours. We actually get a very different result from mixing coloured lights to when we mix coloured paints. There are now some very special glasses to help colourblind people that work by shifting the wavelength of one of the colours of light these people cannot see to one that they can. Next time you walk into a shop such as this one, you should have a much better idea of how glasses work.